Hi, readers. How are you? Good to see you. It's Foundations time. Get ready to repeat after me when Baby Echo looks at you. ALL, ball all. That's that new one we learned yesterday, remember? There's our picture. It's a glued sound. It's green. We box it in. A, apple, ah. D, d. E, ed, eh. I, itch, I. J, j. O, octopus, ah. Q, u, qu. U, up, Y, y. Back to the beginning. Nice job. And now let's sing our vowels. Here we go. Do it with me. A, apple, a. E, ed, eh. I, itch, eh. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Nice job, my friends. Let's get ready to read some words. Okay, check out our words here, everybody. I want to go through and isolate just the beginning sound. Okay, so let's read through this list, just the beginning sound. W, do it with me again on the next row. B, t, w, m. And the last row, do it yourself. Good. Now the reason we did that is because did you notice what are all the second parts of all these words? They're the glued sound, A-L-L, ball, all. So as long as you can add the beginning sound, they'll all end with all. So these are all going to rhyme. I want you to go ahead and try them yourself. I'll highlight it and you read it. I'll say it after you should be done. Wall, fall, haul, call. Now, if that was hard for you, when you do this next one, I want you to make sure you're tapping it out. B, all, ball. Read this one. T, all, tall. W, all, wall. M, all, mall. Okay, try the last row. Mall, w, all, wall, ball, fall. Nice job, everybody. Now let's do it together. Try to stay with me. Here we go. Wall, fall, haul, call, ball, tall, wall, mall, mall, wall, ball, fall. Woo, you did it. Nice job reading all of those words, my friends. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to bring you over here with me now for some new trick words. Come on over. Okay, we have two trick words today. Let's look at our trick words from last time. You, your. I'm going to erase those and make some room for the new ones. Notice we have our sentence frame. We start with an uppercase and end with a period, stop sign at the end. Okay, let's see what our sentence is. I had fun. Let's say it one more time. I had fun. How many words in this sentence? I had fun. And we sound excited. So I think at the end, I'm going to want my taller frame for an exclamation point. Okay, let me write in this sentence. Capital I had fun. Ah, mm, exclamation point. I had fun. I'm going to circle this one right here. Who thinks they can tell me that word? Very good. This is the word I. And I is a trick word because when it's all by itself, it's always uppercase and it always just says its name. And this is a word you want to always know quickly because you'll see it a lot. Okay? Now, watch. I'm going to change that one word. Take a look. Okay, watch me read it now. They had fun. What word is circled now? What's our new trick word? They. They is spelled T-H-E-Y. Let's see. Why is this one a trick word? We see a digraph here. It's that tongue tickly one, the noisy TH, right? Sometimes TH says like thumb, but in this one it says and then the EY doesn't say or ya, it says A. A. That's what makes it tricky. You're going to want to write an A, but it's an E. Look, it's got the word the in it. The Y is how you spell they. So let's practice spelling these tricky trick words. Stand up with me. Get your arms out and your two fingers ready to skywrite. And let's see it right in the air coming out of our fingers. Let's do the word I. 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 Take your finger and close your eyes and picture it as you write it on the surface that you're at. Maybe your table. I. I. Okay, let's do our next trick word. Here it is. They. T-H-E-Y. They. Take the finger, close those eyes. T. Say it with me. H-E-Y. They. And you should be able to really picture it in your head as you're writing it. That's going to help you remember. Okay. You know what's next. You guys are pros at foundations now. We add it to our notebooks so that we have a place to look if we ever forget. It's our own little personal dictionary. So go to the back where you'll find the trick words and we'll add I and they. Okay. In some of your books it will look like this where you need to find it and write it in. In some of your books it might look a little different. And that's okay. Let me write those two words for you right here. I, they. Okay. Please pause the screen here until you have them all copied in. Okay. And for the next part of today's lesson, you are going to need your Velcro board with your letters that looks like mine. Okay, so on your Velcro board, we have not done this yet. I want you to find the ALL and add it to your board over here next to the FLS. You should already have a little piece of Velcro there that you can put it right on top of. So go ahead and find that. And here's what we're going to do. I'm thinking of a word that has a bonus letter in it. Can you see if you can build me a word that has a bonus letter in it that is, that's something Jack and Jill went up to fetch a pail of water? What could that word be? Go ahead, see if you can figure it out and build it on your board. Did you come up with it? What did you guys come up with? Here's what the word I was thinking of. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. H-I-L as the bonus L. How did you do? Okay, spell it away. I-L, bonus L. And always put them back in the right spot because we want to have the bonus letters, the ones at the end of the alphabet, and sometimes Z. Okay, let's try another word. I'm thinking of another word with bonus letters. That's kind of the noise that makes when you press a doorbell. Not ring, but if it goes buzz. Can you do the word buzz? And we don't have a bonus Z because it doesn't happen a lot. So we just use a blank tile when we're missing a letter. Buzz. When yours looks like mine, then you can spell it away. B U Z Z. Bonus Z. Okay, nice job. All right, now your next challenge is going to be with the ALL. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to put the all down on the bottom of your board, and I want you to pick consonants, any consonants, yellow cards, and put in front of it and read it, and then decide, is this a real word or is it a nonsense word? Watch me do it. All, wall. Real word. And then I can pick any letter. All, Saul. Silly word, nonsense word. Pick another one. All, jawl. Silly word. I'm gonna try sh. All, shawl. Real word. A shawl is like a little blankety coat you wear. Okay? So I want you to do this, and after that you are done and can put everything away. I want you to try it out with 5 or 6 words and then be ready to tell somebody at home or someone at school when you go back to school or see a teacher some of your silly words and real words. Great job.